Spectra, and today we're moving on to day 8 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. So day 8 is right over here. So let's open it up and see what kind of hot sauce we get. Okay, and today we got a smoky sriracha right there. So let's see how this hot sauce tastes. Okay, we got it open and let's see how it tastes. Okay, and okay, there's the little kick. By belly taste, oh, there's a bit of a smoky taste right there, like barbecue. But barely anything. Barely taste anything. It's just a kick, and that's pretty much not enough for me. Like, I love taste and a kick. There's barely any taste. So yeah, but now let's try it with the chip. Okay, there we go. Just break this in half. Okay, got some on the chip. Once again, barely anything. The kick is still there, but barely any taste to the sauce. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to give this like a 6 out of 10. It has a great kick to it, but barely any taste. So that was get the door open and put this back. That was day 8 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And stay tuned for day 9 coming tomorrow. And with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.